How to find your language's privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your language's privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this profile information, and then go down. Here you will find birthday. Click this pen here and go down until you find here your languages, and here you will find this icon. Click on it and here you can manage your languages privacy settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.